Hey comfort food fans, today I'm making something spooky and dramatically tasty. Forget boring punch. Today I am making vampire punch. This punch will be tart, tangy, and absolutely delicious. So let's get started. Welcome back to What I Tasted. I'm Jeremiah and I'm here to show you how to make all of your favorite comfort foods plant-based and better. Alright, so this recipe is only going to include 7 ingredients, and depending upon how you make it, it might be 6 ingredients like the format that I have it today. So what I'm going to do is prepare 2 limes, and then everything else is liquid, so I'm going to just mix it all right into a bowl. Okay, so I have my first lime, and so I'm just going to roll out the lime to loosen up the juice. Should be good. Just going to cut it in half, and I'm going to do the same with the second lime. Alright, there we go. Cut this in half. I'm going to squeeze in the lime. Now I'm going to add some vanilla extract, some maple syrup, I'm going to add some orange juice. And now I'm going to add some cranberry pomegranate juice. You can add them separately or just get a mix. You want to add about 32 ounces, about 4 to 5 cups total of that. And then from there you want to add about a cup of sparkling water. And there we have our vampire punch. So I'm going to give it a mix. So let's try out the vampire punch. It's sweet, it's tart, it's tangy. This is a good punch. This is absolutely delicious. It has that note of lime and vanilla coming through, which is great. You definitely taste the orange juice, cranberry, pomegranate. It just blends really well. This is a good juice to serve for a party, a get-together, even a dinner. It's absolutely fantastic. Vampire punch, can't go wrong with this. Super simple to make. Serve it however you want, have some fun, and come back again real soon for another 31 days of Halloween. I'm Jeremiah, your friend with Food Benefits. I'll see you again real soon.